Mother Earth is covered with stones, and even as children we know that the stones have some kind of an energy that we connect to. And so that energy is there because we have those stones and minerals within us. So we're already connected on a visceral level, on a physical level, with the stone nations. So when we get more and more aware of that connection, we realize that there's a reason why these stones are here. Each one of them is a teacher. Each one of them is an ancient teacher, like a library, filled with information and with understanding of things that we are still in the process of learning. And so when we go to them with a humble and open mind and a humbled heart, ready to listen and ready to learn, they will reveal themselves